everything you want in this beautiful life. Watermelon moon, so happy